Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view muted accounts that you might have muted in the past on TikTok. And if you want to unmute an account, it's a very simple process as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page by selecting the profile button in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and select where it says Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, select Content Preferences. And then at the bottom of this list, it should say Muted Accounts. Left click on that. If there are any muted accounts in here, they'd be listed. And then you can also have the option to select that account and then unmute them. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.